In today's video, I'll show you how to add apps in Microsoft Teams to boost your productivity and customize your workspace. Whether you want to integrate tools like Planner, Forms, or third-party apps, adding them to Teams is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the main screen, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on the Apps option. This will open the Teams App Store, where you can browse and search for different apps. At the top of the Apps page, use the search bar to type the name of the app you want to add. You can also explore categories like productivity, project management, or communication to discover new tools that work well with Teams. When you find the app you want, click on it to open the App Details page. Here, you'll see a brief description of what the app does and how it integrates with Microsoft Teams. If this looks good, click the Add button. Depending on the app, you may be asked where you want to use it. Some apps can be added to a team, a specific channel, a chat, or even just for personal use. Choose the option that fits your needs, then follow any on-screen prompts to finish setting it up. After adding the app, you'll usually see it appear as a new tab in your selected channel, or as an icon in the sidebar. Take a moment to explore the app's features and adjust any settings if needed. And that's it. Adding apps in Microsoft Teams is a great way to streamline your work, collaborate more efficiently, and keep everything you need in one place. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more Microsoft Teams tutorials.